Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you very simple and efficient tips that you're going to employ to improve your spoken German from intermediate to somebody who speaks German very fluently. If you already speak some German, but then at some point you still feel a little bit stiff, then this video is the right one for you. So how do you move from I can speak German, ich spreche Deutsch, to I am fluent in German, ich bin fließend auf Deutsch. So these are some of the tips I employed to speak very wonderful German ultimately. And if you're new here, my name is Melk. I am a medical doctor. I live in Bonn, German. I moved here from Uganda about 2 years ago and I just enjoy learning German, plus also speaking about it to other people like you who are interested in learning German. Please, as usual, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and just leave a comment in case you have something to share. So how do you make that transition? I have 5 tips that I want to share with you, and the first and most important point that you'll need to employ is use connectoren links. Use connecting words. Natives always have this smooth flow of speaking, just like how you speak in your mother tongue, or like, for example, I'm speaking English. Learn those connecting words. Of course, this helps you stand out. So words like weil, aufgrund von, obwohl, trotzdem, which means nevertheless, außerdem, which means apart from that, während, which means while, and words like dadurch, deswegen, weswegen. These words are very important because as you speak, they kind of help you stand out. So if you want, for example, to make a statement like, I am learning German, ich lerne Deutsch, go on to give a reason why you're learning German. You would rather say, ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. Or you can even go on and make it better and be like, even if German is a complicated language, I learn it because I want to work in German. Obwohl Deutsch schwierig ist, ich lerne es, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. That already makes you go higher than somebody who is just a basic beginner. You can even go on and further elongate it and be like, ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich eine Ausbildung machen möchte und später hier in Deutschland arbeiten. It just puts you in a different class altogether. Plan to put in and fix in these connector words. So for example, you can go on and put in words a statement like, even if German is complicated, I believe I'm going to make it because others have also made it. Trotz der Schwierigkeit der deutschen Sprache glaube ich, dass ich sie meistern werde, weil andere Menschen es auch geschafft haben. I watch Melky's videos because he explains things in a very simple way. Ich schaue mir Melky's videos an, weil Konzepte auf sehr einfache Weise erklärt. So learn those connecting words. The second practice that I would recommend if you really want to take your German from intermediate level to very high level, as in somebody who is really fluent in German, is try this technique called concept expansion. Add a little bit of detail to whatever you're saying. For example, if somebody asks you and is like, what are you doing on the weekend? Was machst du am Wochenende? Somebody who is a basic German speaker would be like, ich gehe ins Kino. But if you're somebody who is advanced, you want to also quantify that. You'd be like, ich gehe ins Kino mit meinen Freunden, weil ein neuer Film läuft, den ich schon lange sehen wollte. So if somebody asks me, wo kommst du her? I'll be like, ich komme aus Uganda und unsere Hauptstadt ist Kampala. Wir haben den größten Süßwassersee, der auch die Quelle des Nils ist, nämlich den Victoriasee. That is basically how you would go on to put out statements like that. Don't just stop onto one statement. Try to expand the idea and, build on it. In my case, I would be like, ich bin nicht nur zum Arbeiten nach Deutschland gekommen, sondern auch meine medizinische Karriere voranzutreiben. So this trains you to think in full ideas and not just in isolated statements that you want to make one off. And that makes your German really improve. It just takes you from this whole intermediate level, struggling German speaking person to somebody who is able to put out concepts and statements in a more comprehensive way. The third very important point is called rephrasing. So learn to rephrase statements in German. Which other way would you say it in German? This is something that I personally do a lot. I just find myself kind of rephrasing what other people have said, but it kind of helps to train your brain in thinking in whole ideas and just the diversification of your thinking process when it comes to how you could express yourself in German. So for example, if you listen to somebody and they be like, ich habe gestern total viel zu tun gehabt. So if somebody says a statement like that, another way of saying it would be like, ich hatte gestern total viel zu tun. You know that hatte is like another way of saying ich hab gehabt. Instead of saying hatte, you can just be like, ich hab gehabt. That's one of rephrasing it. Then you could even go on to mention statements like, gestern war bei mir auch richtig stressig. That means even me, it was very stressful. So somebody goes on and be like, man, yesterday it rained a lot. Gestern hat es viel geregnet. For somebody who wants to rephrase that statement, you would go on to say a statement like, ja, es war einfach total unglaublich. You see how the conversation is flowing. It was too much Yeah, it was totally unbelievable. And now you are sounding pro. You sound like somebody who understands German and not somebody who's just struggling to get by. Now, tip number 4 is join real conversations. That is very helpful because there is nothing that makes you really sound better than you having a real conversation with real people. So that would mean that if you are in German, get out of your comfort zone and try to engage with somebody. That enthusiasm really goes a long way and it helps you a lot. Nothing can replace that. So you learn things like interrupting politely, expressing arguments, disagreements, doing that while maintaining the flow. So it helps you. Nothing can replace that. If you're not in German, there is no need to worry about that. Really, you can get a tandem partner. There are several groups which you can join, like people you are attending school with. Go out and talk to real people and apply these principles that we have explained above. That will help you master your German very, very well. Now, the advantage of engaging in tip number 4 is it gives you the opportunity to do tip number 5, which is copy other people's statements. That might require a technique that I refer to as shadowing. As somebody is speaking, you speak after them. That helps you because you're not going to invent something new from the blue. Ultimately, you're going to learn from people who are having real conversations, and that will be helpful for you. So don't try to learn alone and be like, for me, I'll not copy anybody else. I'm just going to learn my own books. Well, even the books you're reading, they were written by somebody. Copy their statements, how they say it. Of course, as long as the statements are appropriate. You don't want to copy inappropriate statements of people who are cursing all over the place and doing all that. No, I mean real important German statements that you want to copy. Get it and then paste it into your real conversation. You can still copy those statements from things like movies, YouTube, podcasts, and some of those common statements like ganz ehrlich, weißt du, kannst du das vorstellen? Naja, es kommt drauf. And those statements sprinkle onto your speech some kind of authenticity, and they kind of make you just sound fluent in your speech. Now, starting to learn a new language can actually be very stressful. If you're wondering, how did actually this guy do it? I share all the tips in this video of how I would have done it if I were given a second chance to start learning German from scratch all over again. Apart from that, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment in case you have any specific questions. And yep, bye and peace.